What are all the transformations you have? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, there's translation, there's reflection, there's stretching and compression.
Translation, reflection, horizontal, vertical stretch, right? We talk about translation. Translation is you just move the anything if you have like this. So you are sliding in the X direction, sliding horizontally and sliding vertically. So what happened is there is no change in the size of the graph. There will not be any change. Only the location change will be there in translation.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is in the X direction. This is in the Y direction. So how do you represent the translation? So for you normally specify with a vector. This is translation vector. So this is the change in the X direction and this is the change in the Y direction. Suppose a point is there here and it is in 2, 3 and this point is moved to this place. It is maybe 6, 6. So it is moved in horizontally until here. Then it has moved vertically until here. So what happened? Horizontally from 2 to 6. That means it is 6 minus 2. So it is 4. Okay. Horizontally it is moved 4 and vertically it is moved 3 to 6. That means 3 steps. So the translation vector is, it is horizontal direction, it is 4 and the vertical direction, it is 3. This is the translation vector. Okay. So how do you represent this in the function? Suppose there is a graph f of x. It can be in any graph. Okay. F of x. So if this graph undergoes a translation translation, let me not say x and y. We can say h, k. Okay. So what happens is f of x will become f of x minus h plus k. Okay, this is the horizontal.
And k is the vertical.
Horizontal change. Okay, this is the vertical change. Okay, so the function f of x will become f of x minus h plus k. So you should understand that. This is the basic function. Okay, so this is horizontal change.
Does the function change depending on, does the function for like the horizontal vertical change, does it change according to whether it's a vertical translation?
According to this. Okay, so let me give you an example. F of x equal to x square. So now what will happen? It will become, if it has a horizontal translation and vertical translation, vector translation of h, k. Okay, so the function will become f of x minus h plus k, which is, so what is f of x minus h? How do you do f of x minus h? F of x is x square. So how do you find f of x minus h in functions?
you have to like separate it. So x.
Oh, okay. I will ask you one more question. How do you do f of 2? You replace the x in the f of x by 2.
Right.
Right? So f of 2 means you replace the x with 2. So that means 2 squared, which is 4. The same way, if I'm asking you to do f of x minus h,
it would be like x minus h squared.
F of x minus h equal to x minus h the whole square. So your equation, this x square function, will become x minus h the whole square plus k.
Plus k.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, see, not every time you will have an horizontal and vertical together. So sometimes when you have only horizontal shift, it will be just h and 0. K will be 0. Then only vertical shift. Zero K. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
So this is the change. You need to know this very clearly. When the translation comes, horizontal and vertical translation. So only horizontal means f of x will become f of x minus h. Okay, this is only horizontal. If it is only vertical, it will be f of x plus k. Then both together. That is h comma k. So it will become f of x will turn into f of x minus h plus k. Okay, are you clear with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will see how it is changing the graph. F of x equal to x square. Right? So how the x square graph? So for 1, it should be 0. It is 0. 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 4. 2, 3, 4. Three, 9, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's going to be like this. Okay?
Yeah.
This is y equal to x square function.
Yeah.
Now, this undergoes a vector translation or just a horizontal translation. Okay, let me just talk about the f of x will become x minus 3, x plus 3 the whole square.
Okay.
Okay, you need to understand when I say f of x minus h, it is undergoing a positive h.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That means it goes to the right side.
Yeah.
By h units. Okay. If f of x plus h, that means the basic function, basic translation, it comes with a negative sign. So you need to write it with minus h. Okay, so it will be negative h. That means to left side. By h units. Okay, so now x plus 3 the whole square. So what happened? It's
going to go left 3 sides.
Translation, yes. Horizontal translation. To the left by 3 units. So this point, each and every point will move by 3 units to the left. So this one, 1, 2, 3. And here, 1, 2, 3. This one again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 2, 3. Yes. Okay, so this is f of x
plus 3.
Plus 3. Now, maybe you can say y equal to x square plus x square minus 2. That means it will move down. The original equation will be moving down by 2 units.
So this is the vertical translation, right?
Vertical translation. Okay, because it does not. Another thing, one thing, any changes inside the x if it comes. Okay, like you see, x, it has become x plus 3 the whole square. So the changes are inside the x. Okay, when it is inside the x, it affects x coordinate. It is the horizontal. Even if you take reflection, if you take okay, so it affects only inside, means it is horizontal. It affects the x coordinate. When it is outside the x, then it affects y. It is a vertical. Okay, so here the x square remains the same. Only here it has been subtracted 2. So it is only vertical translation by negative 2 units. Okay, so negative 2 units means
it will move down by 2.
Yes. Vertical translation, negative means moves down. Positive means moves upwards. So each and every point in y equal to x square will move down by 2 units. So 0, 0 will move by 2 units. Okay, and here this will move by 2 units. This is 4. Oh, we are talking about this. Okay. 4. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, if you have f of x plus 3 minus 2, that means it has both, it's a vector translation.
It's going to move left by 3 units and down by 2 units.
Yes, vector translation by minus 3, minus 2. So when you are talking about vector translation, you need to write down the opposite sign for the x. Okay, because we are moving to the left. That means the vector will be negative. We are going in the opposite direction. Okay, so what happened? This is basically f of x plus 3. So you can just move this down by 2 units. So it will be here.
Yeah.
It will be here. Blue and purple. It looks same. Then this one will move down by 2 units. One, two. One, two. We are moving only the purple because we already moved f of x plus 3. Yeah. So we moved it. Okay. So this is f of x plus 3 plus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. This is only